Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mike here from MB Reviews and More. We are back with another video for you tonight. We are going to be trying out Willy Pete's Raspberry Rain Extreme Heat Candy Bar. I'm still trying to recover pretty much from my rib injury, so this could be a bit of a task. This is a brand new candy bar that just came out really recently from Willy Pete's, and if you can see on the bar or from the TV behind me, it has a heat level of danger, which is usually pretty bad when it's Willy Pete's. Willy Pete is responsible for making most of the challenge candy bars from League of Fire. There's two things that are going to make this a little difficult for me tonight. One of them being that it is an extremely hot candy bar. I don't know, it's been a little while since I did anything really hot. And the second thing is this this beast is a half a pound of chocolate, and it is covered with, and it also has raspberry jam in it. Currently, oddly enough, it is not a challenge bar though on League of Fire as of yet. So I'm just going to try to eat as much as I can of it tonight and see what happens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just to let you guys know, we're about 50 people away from 500 subscribers, and when we get to 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So please smash the subscribe button, and we will be doing a giveaway. Now let's take a look at this bad boy here. This actually shipped in really good shape. It didn't really, I didn't lose much. It's a little brittle. I didn't lose too much of the thing it's shipping. I'm going to have to get up and get a napkin, so I'll probably edit this out of the video. Oh, actually, no, my camera guy has got me hooked up here. Yeah, like I said, this is a half pound, and when you're eating stuff like this that's just jacked up with Carolina Reaper and stuff, you got to prepare your stomach. So we just had like a half a pizza. So I'm quite full right now, so a half a pound of chocolate is probably going to... I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in. That's if the heat doesn't kill me first. But without any further ado, let's dip into it and see what we got here. The one thing I can tell you, usually with Willy Pete, is he makes excellent candy bars, even though they're extremely hot. His candy is usually excellent. Right off the bat, the Carolina Reaper. I'm like crunching on it. Wow. That's pretty hot. Wow. Woo. I definitely wasn't ready for this level of heat yet. Oh. Wow. My tongue is already burning the back of my throat. As you can tell by the way I'm coughing. Just getting hammered from the Reaper. Oh. Wow. And these hiccups ain't helping my ribs at all. I didn't expect this to be this hot. This hot. I'm going to take a little bit of water for the back of my throat, which is not going to help me at all, because this makes it even hotter. Yeah, that wasn't a good idea. Wow. I'm going to try one more piece of this. That first one lit me up pretty good, I'll tell you what. Didn't see that coming. I gotta say though, the raspberry and the chocolate is excellent. But that Reaper, whew, it bangs you hard. There's a ton of it. Watched Atomic Menace do this recently, and Roger Trier, and they made it go down like it was just a regular candy bar. I've been out of practice too long for this. It's already not agreeing with my stomach. Hopefully there's just enough food in there where I don't have to worry about cap cramps. That's worse than this spot when you get them. Just constantly crunching on Reaper. Excellent tasting candy bar though. But it will, I don't know if it's just me being a practice and my tolerance is going way down. This thing will light you up. Wow. I ate 2 squares. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do any more. That's see, it's no joke. Willy Pete's Raspberry Rain. The heat level of danger, at least for me, it's living up to its name. My tongue and my throat are burning. Water making it worse, but I need it. Kind of spread it around. Well, this is kind of a disappointment. I was really hoping to get at least half of this in. And I figured I'd be full at that point. But I think I was going to be lit up, crying. Wow. But That's about as far as I'm able to go, guys. Henry back there trying to coach me to 2 more. I really wouldn't mind doing 2 more, but I guess I gotta get the tolerance built back up. It's really heating me up. But if you'd like to try this, like I said, it's Willy Pete's Raspberry Rain. Has the heat level of danger. I just didn't really, I took it for granted. I didn't think it was going to be that hot after watching those 2 guys do it. But they're on another level. But like I said, guys, please try to get to 500 subscribers, and I'll be doing a giveaway. Oh, my mouth is on fire. I just keep reigniting it right there. But I'll be doing a giveaway. So please like, share, subscribe. Sorry this video is a little shorter than I expected, and I didn't get the whole thing done, but I'll be back. I'm working the tolerance up a little bit more and more. But this one had some heat. Pepper burps and everything. But I'll leave the links in the description if you guys want to check this out. From Willy Pete's. But be prepared, this is a kicker. There ain't no doubt about it. So till next time, this is Mike from Every Reviews and More. We'll see ya. Oh my God, dude. My mouth is on fire. That first piece had me choking. Like I was just holding my throat.
Fucking eat 2 more pieces of it, dude.
Oh, I can't. You want to try one?
No. You could have eaten 2 more pieces of it. Just, you took little bites of it. You should have just polyed it.
Because that first bite, dude, just the back of my throat is just like.